Hi, Mama. Hi, baby girl. Oh, what are you doing? Look at this face. Hi. Hi. Good morning, everybody. I'm going to wait till I see some people jump on.
This one's open. Yes. All the way up. No.
I'm back.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, movie star. Hi, movie star. I love a girl. Look at all the love and look at all the attention your babies are getting. Who's Peanut, Dana? We need names with E. They all have to begin with the letter E.
I got a wiggle worm.
Tammy has a wiggle worm.
Hi. I have a boy. I have a boy.
And this is our little girl. Look at this face. Look at this beautiful face. 8 weeks of age.
Today, actually.
Oh boy, Christine is right. Are you ready, Nana?
Her little tail's wagging.
Hi, Wisconsin. Hi, Elwood. Elwood. Oh, Elwood.
There we go. Mr. Wiggly. Mr. Wiggly's real name is
That's
Elwood.
a really cute name. Do you have paper, anybody? We have to write these down. Okay. So Elvis, Emily, we're already starting. You guys are ready to go this morning, huh?
They've been waiting 8 weeks.
All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Is the video clear before I continue?
You can't tell because I'm a wiggle worm.
Okay, I see all the names coming at me. Whoa, Esmeralda. Just give us a couple seconds. We need to make sure the video's clear, and then I'm going to go into basically why we're here and what we need from all of you. From all of you.
Let me out, Auntie.
Okay, so Jen, you said we already did deworming. Yep. So we're just gonna do fecal and then capsar, or no?
No. Vaccines. Fecal vaccines and microchips.
Yeah. Perfect. And names. We have to have names.
We're getting that. We have Mommy Ella right here. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy Ella.
Best mommy.
Best mommy, the sweetest mommy. Guys, if you remember, for all of you that are jumping on, I'm going to start from the beginning and then we're going to get into the naming. So, Mommy Ella was at Miami-Dade Animal Services Kill Shelter. She was full-term pregnant and they were going to abort each and every puppy at full term. So we immediately placed our rescue hold. We pulled Mommy Ella. She had pneumonia. She spent some time at the Lauderdale Veterinary Specialist 24-hour animal hospital. She was given proper antibiotics that were safe for her puppies.
Setting up the assembly line.
Awesome.
Wait.
Mommy Ella is approximately, I would say, 2 years of age, and she's nothing but sweet love. Sweet, sweet, sweet love. Look at this face. We actually set her up in Michael, our awesome volunteer crew member. He kindly offered his home for Mommy Ella to give birth to her babies. We got the call. I don't remember the actual date of when. Day before my birthday. I should have known that. He called and said, they're coming, they're flying out, they're popping out. So Mommy Ella gave birth to 11 beautiful puppies. Sadly, one of the puppies was stillborn. We gave her the name Emma. May she rest in peace. We have 10 beautiful puppies in front of us. I want you to look at these lab mix puppies. They are absolutely delicious. Jan is holding, you're holding a boy? Jan is holding a boy.
I think it's boy.
Wow, is he absolutely
It's a boy.
gorgeous. What do you have? Oh, wow. Look at these faces. Look at these beautiful lab ears.
We're definitely lab mixes.
You have a girl?
That one's
Girl. She just wants to lay
This
like
is,
this.
let me get her face if you can turn. Oh my God.
She's like
Wow.
camera shy.
Camera
Hazel
shy.
gray eyes.
Hazel grayish eyes. She is my favorite, if there can be a
Thank you.
favorite.
You're my
The
baby.
coloring is gorgeous.
Thank you.
This baby is a black beauty. He's gorgeous.
Right?
They're all 8 weeks. They're getting their first round of vaccines today. They've been dewormed. They're getting microchipped. They'll get baths. Look at this face. Hi. Hi, guys. I know. We need more hands, don't we? I know we need more hands to get all of you held.
That's Max. That's what we call him.
Darla is holding a little girl. Look at the white paws. Look at the socks. Can you stand it? They're all available immediately for adoption, each and every one of them. So we are here, number one, as we've been waiting for 8 weeks to do this, to do the naming of each and every puppy. We want every puppy to begin with the letter E. I know, the names are flying. They're putting 4 and 5 names in one line. It's hysterical.
Because E-names aren't easy. So.
No, E is tough, but I have a lot of names coming at me right now. We do have one name that Tammy wants to name one of the male puppies, and that is Elton John.
Yeah.
So,
That's after Mike's dog, Elton. So now we have Elton John.
So which puppy do you want to name Elton?
Michael. Doesn't matter to
Oh,
me.
which one would you like to name?
Oh, that one right there.
Okay, so the mask, that's easy to tell then.
Yeah.
So Mask Man over here is Elton John. Not you, the tan one with the white markings around his face. Okay, so that is Elton John. So we have one male. We need...
And Jan wanted to name one Eleanor.
Yeah, the one that looks like mommy with the
spots on the chest. I think it's...
Okay, they both do.
That one, no,
This one right here?
Yep.
Okay, so there we have one female name, and that is Eleanor, after Mommy Ella. So we have Eleanor, and we have Elton John. So we need 4 female names beginning with the letter E, and we need 4 male names beginning with the letter E. So why don't I start with Tammy?
Okay, let's name this boy.
Let's name this gorgeous, gorgeous boy. I want you to all look at this face, seriously. Okay, let's see. All of you throw out some names at me. And while I'm saying all this, there's like a million people. All right, maybe not a million, but there's a lot of comments coming in here. I am asking each and every one of you to donate $1 to this. I think it's a $1 challenge. I think that's fair enough. You're talking microchips. You're talking neuters, spays, microchips, vaccines on 10 puppies.
Yeah.
If it was not for this organization, 100 Plus Abandoned Dogs of Everglades, Florida, all these puppies would be dead. They'd be in a landfill right now in garbage bags. Imagine all these beautiful babies. And not to mention, we don't even know what would have happened to Mommy, to be honest with you. A black dog, a lab mix, with a little bit of Staffy in her. Diamond. The shelters are full of these dogs. Okay, back to the naming.
Boys. Let's do the boys first.
Okay, I'm going to sit back, and I'm going to let you all throw these male names at me for this sweet, beautiful, gorgeous boy. Look at, oh my God, I can't say this. All right, it has to be a male, beginning with E.
Go team.
Eddie Earl, we already have Elton John, Everett, Alicia, Elfie,
Kind of like that.
Everglades, Everett.
I like Everett.
I like Everett.
I love Everett.
Okay, this is Everett.
All right, Carmen.
Meet Everett.
Everybody meet Everett. This is Everett. That's our second male name. We have Elton John and we have Everett. Oh my God.
And Ellen, second name.
Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna go. Now we're gonna go over to Caitlin. Hi, Caitlin. Caitlin couldn't sleep last night because she was so excited about this. So this is our little. Oh God, she's so. This dog is so gorgeous. Everybody's been fighting over her. Her coloring is like I've never seen before in her eyes.
She's stunning.
Oh, this is a female. Yeah. So we now need a female beginning with the letter E. You ready? Go for it. Girl. Everly. Emma. We already had Emma was one past guys. Avita. Elmo, Ella. We already have Ella.
Evie?
Ethel. Elby. Everly. Emerald. Ellie.
We had Ellie.
Yeah. E is tough.
It is tough.
E is tough. This is a female. Elsa.
We had Elsa.
Hi.
Ellie. We've had.
Hi.
We need an extra set of
Hi,
names.
Washington State.
Not holding up. Where are you going?
Easter.
I'm tagging you.
Ebony.
Oh, you're going to do tags?
No.
I thought just to make pictures.
Ellen. Avita.
very hard to do by yourself.
Eliza,
What you need?
Ethel,
You got it?
Elaine. No, it has to begin with an E, Ellen. No K's.
I know, you want me let down. I'll let you down as soon as you have a name.
Ember, Enora. Wow, these are tough. And I need glasses. I have it in the car, but
Ember's different.
Emma,
Hmm? You like Ember? Maybe, maybe not.
Esther, Elliot. Yeah, Echo,
Eden?
Eternal, Essence, Eugenia. Ember is awesome. Somebody likes Ember.
Do you like Ember? Is that going to be your name?
Ebony, Ikasha.
I like Ember.
You like Ember? You like Ember?
Are you going to be Ember?
We need 4.
I know, it's tough. Emily? Do we have an Emily? Esmeralda? Arisha, Ember, Echo, Emmy for short.
Do you like Emmy? Do you like Emerald? What do you like?
Etta, like Etta James? Etta James? What about Etta? Like Etta James? I love Etta James.
Do you like Etta?
She sang my wedding song.
Don't you love Etta? No. We have limited E's.
I know.
Oh, Etta doesn't bother me at all, but...
Like Etta?
I like Etta.
Essence?
Yes.
Essence is different. Essence.
I know, you're getting a little hot, aren't you?
Edwina? Einstein? I like Etta. Let's do ETA. ETA.
Oh, it's ETTA.
ETTA.
Yeah, it's ETT.
Okay. That's Etta. There's our beautiful girl, Etta. Okay. You are going crazy. And you male.
Yep.
All right, guys, this is a little bit easier. I think the males are easy.
Yeah, I think there's more.
Okay. We have eaten.
So we say that now.
We need E for boys.
We had an Elroy? Nope.
I just like Elroy.
Right?
Yeah.
Elwood.
Well, we can use both.
Yeah, we need 3.
Elvis, we've had. Elwood.
Elwood.
All right, hold on. This is big boy.
My goodness gracious. Elliot or Emmett. We already had Emmett, right?
Did Everett.
Oh, we did Everett? I like Emmett.
Yeah. Said that when
I love Emmett. Okay. Do you want to name him Emmett?
Sure.
Okay.
E-M-M. Mama.
How do you spell Emmett? E-M-M-E-T-T?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this is Emmett. Hi, Emmett. That's your new name. You're a cute Emmett. Okay. Who else do we have? Girl. Elliot. That's a boy. Me?
I like Elliot too.
For girl?
No.
Oh. Girl. Enya.
Oh, yeah.
Enya.
Like that.
Not long, too long. A good name. Don't stop running out of it. And is the one with the little white feet. That was a great one. I love it. E-N-Y-A. Love Enya. Okay. Then we have Enya.
High white feet.
Enya.
You have it,
Little
Jan?
white tab that comes off.
You have the name Enya? Okay. I mean, you're right. I don't want to go to you.
Oh, they're so
Hi,
precious.
Enya. She's a good girl.
They're so precious.
She's chill. She is beautiful. We got an Enya in the house.
Enya.
We had an Enya.
Yeah, a long time ago.
That's what I said.
Whatever. I don't care.
Database.
Guess what? I don't care. We're running out of names. E is tough.
Yeah, he is tough.
And they need their nails trimmed too, tell them,
Yeah,
for
it's on
sure.
the list.
Okay.
That's a good
I
girl.
think nice too.
Look at Mommy Ella.
That's a good girl.
Like,
Is that the one with the black tail? Black bottom?
Yes.
Make an Enya?
Yeah.
Enya.
Yeah. Let me put her down. I want to put him back in here.
That's what I did.
We can put a name tag on her and I'm getting another one.
Thanks for
I'm even
sacrificing
Well done there, Caitlin.
These puppies are a lot of work, Nina Christina. I hope you're ready.
Oh, you gotta be quick.
Who's that you have?
Hi, Mama. Thank you.
Boy, girl?
Boy.
We don't have a name for him yet? Okay, let's do it.
This is the wiggly one I had.
Oh boy. Okay, let's make it quick.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
We have Ernie. We have
Didn't we have Ernie and Bert?
Yeah. Hey,
You want
Edison.
me to put her back?
Oh, I like
I
it.
think we had
Do you want me to
Edison.
put
Even
her
like
Okay.
I remember
Want me to
Edison.
put her
Okay.
back? Should we grab another one?
Edward.
We have Ed.
Yeah, that's different. Okay. Elwood. Elwood.
Okay,
Yeah,
Elwood.
this one will be
just trying to
Elwood.
see what his markings are because this is one of the two books that's very much alike. White
Mask.
chest. He doesn't have
5 girls, 5 boys.
He's got a white dot on his nose.
This is Elwood, guys. Good call on the Elwood name. Oh, is he wiggly?
I told you.
There's Elwood. Okay.
Hi.
We'll get it. Once we get the name tag on Elwood, we can put him back.
We're doing it right now. Some have names, some don't.
Out of
1
this
second.
I think they're trying to make charts.
Yeah.
One of you. Only one.
Oh, person.
Yep.
Only one.
If you could get the brown boy,
Esteban.
the other, the one without the mask.
Eugene. We have Elwood.
Here, you.
This is Elwood with the waggly tail right here.
Come on. Come on. Come on, you.
Oh,
This one?
This one.
Good luck.
Pull whichever, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, just grab one.
Timmy, you leave one for Elton John.
But we know who he is.
I know, but they
yeah, but they don't. They need it.
Very good.
Christine.
Oh my
Now he
God.
comes out, of course.
Yes, they are lab mixes.
It goes all the way, you have to look all the way, yeah.
If you are interested in adoption, our email address is on the top of this post. You will email us. We do not ship or transport. We must do a meet and greet with any existing pets and a home check. If you work 8 to 10 hours a day, it will not work. Puppies cannot be alone for that amount of time.
That's the one.
Is that a girl?
Yes.
Okay.
That's the last born.
Hey.
Was that the last? Okay. This is a little girl. Are we doing good? Are we all in this together? Not running ahead of anybody. Hi, baby. She has the little chocolate chip feet, Oreo feet.
Right, she has a little N on her chest. Right? Yeah.
Oh, she has a little N.
And
Hi, you're cute. She's so
She was number
cute.
11.
She's smaller.
We should name her 11. She was number 11.
All I gotta say is look at the little tail.
yeah.
It starts with an E.
Yeah, but I don't know. 11
This is
for a
a
name. Okay, guys, I need a girl's name.
You need two girls' names.
Well,
no, this is Eleanor.
I'm just
Right.
ready. Go. E, beginning with E. I need a female name right now. Wipe your little eye, mommy. Good. Okay.
L-E-L-E-A-N.
Okay, Ebony, Emily,
A-N-O-R.
Echo. I like Echo.
I like Echo.
I like Echo too.
Can we call her Echo?
Did we have an Echo name?
Yeah, we had Echo. Smallest puppy was
You're
an Echo.
really getting on my nerves
know.
today.
That's what I do best.
All right,
we weren't
forget
gonna say
it.
anything, but
Okay. Ember, Ella, Ebony, Esther. Well, you know me. I love all the Esther. Earths,
Watch behind
Eleanor,
I like
Esther.
I like Esther.
I like Esther too.
Esther it is.
All right,
Do it.
Esther it is.
You're an Esther.
E-S-T-H-E. I love I love old people names.
What do you want?
Esther. E-S-T-H-E-R.
All right.
Hi,
What are you
Esther.
guys doing? Oh my god, you guys are eating the freaking name tags. I was wondering what the sound was of like ripping paper.
Oh, stop it.
Oh, hard work.
Esther.
There's Esther.
You got a
Get
name.
those puppies under control, Caitlin.
You got a name.
If I were Nana Christine, I'd have them under control already.
Yeah.
with her,
Watch out, Nana.
She's 2 weeks behind. She's got her work cut out for her. All right, we need dark gray girl, and we need
What do we have
Little
left?
bit,
brown boy, and
Okay.
that's it, right?
Oh, that
Yeah,
brown
take
one
a
is
sec.
gorgeous. Chocolate.
Dark brown.
Nope.
He is gorgeous.
Oh, now you want to come.
Yeah, he didn't want to come out.
He was that color when he was born.
Tried to.
He used to be the biggest. I don't think he's
I
the biggest
love
anymore.
senior dogs. Let me just.
No doubt.
Oh my gosh,
Just
energy.
not do this.
Oh,
Yeah, you think?
Where's Disco, right?
Yeah.
Disco's a good girl.
She really is.
they are not going to be at the adoption event in Jupiter. They're going straight to our foster, Christine and Bob, today. Right after they're done here, they're going to get settled into their foster family. Anybody that's interested, we will do screening prior, and then we will be setting up the meet and greet with the potential adopter and Christine, our foster.
She should be Ember.
And then everybody's name?
Yep.
Oh, feisty. Ella, you going to tolerate this behavior, Mama? Look at her. Look at her.
She just went upstairs.
Come here, Mommy. She's watching everything too. She's taking it all. Look at the wiggle butt. We were gonna get Mama spayed today, but unfortunately, she still has a little bit of milk in her nipple, so we're gonna wait a couple of weeks to spay her. Aw, she says thank you, foster daddy Michael. I love you for saving me and all my babies.
She's the sweetest.
She's the
really
sweetest
is.
dog ever.
Look at that tail go.
Anybody that's interested in adopting, please don't overlook Mommy, please. She's the best. She's going to be at the event, right, on Jupiter?
So much easier than those.
Yeah, Michael's going to, exactly. Michael's going to bring Mommy Ella to be seen at the adoption event. She needs a family, guys. She's awesome. She's
The
playing.
brown one, the only other one that doesn't have a name.
No, Carmen, Michael will not be keeping her. I love how you guys throw all these dogs on us. Like, every time I'm with a dog and I say I love the dog, oh, Amy, the dog loves you. I
Well,
can't
Poncho loves you.
have any more dogs.
Ah, that's my boy.
Can't have any more dogs.
Okay, you can name this one, Amy.
Yeah, okay.
Ebony.
We have a girl?
Yep.
She's got more black.
Is she the chocolate one or no? She's more
Yeah.
black.
She is. See the top of her
Okay,
head?
so she's more
Like
chocolatey.
charcoal.
Charcoal.
Oh, that's a C.
What a face, what a face, what a face. Okay, we need a female. I want you to look at this face and these eyes. Wow. Hello, I was just talking about you. Okay, let's go. Elsa, Ellen, Elsie, Eunice, Epi.
Elsie. I don't like Elsie. Do you like Elsie or not?
No, don't chew on that.
These are my grandmother's.
Epi, Elsie, Erica, Elise, Eva. It has to begin with an E.
I got the last one.
Encore.
Yeah, I got that one. That one would not come out for me.
We're running out of names. It's hard.
I know.
It's really hard. Oh, thank God it's a boy. Okay. Elizabeth.
They are feisty.
Eleanor.
little puppies.
You have Eleanor.
Yeah. Ember.
Umbrella.
Do you want to switch?
Sure.
You can do Ember. We'll do
Wait.
Ember.
Elvita. Eclipse. We had an Eclipse.
Got her.
Yep.
I'm a big
Cute.
guy.
Ember. Getting
I
the
think she
same.
should be Ember.
I think she should be Ember.
I like that.
So don't we have an Ember?
I don't think so.
Oh, do we have an Ember yet?
No.
No.
Okay, Ember it is.
We were gonna, and then we changed.
Okay, let's
Yeah,
name her
is that
Ember.
Oh yeah, it was Etta.
Okay, there's Ember. E-M-B-E-R. She's
The
beautiful.
hedgehogs.
Oh, she's so
You
pretty.
ding dongs.
Okay, there's Ember.
Brown
This
boy.
is the last
This
one, I
right
think.
here.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the last one.
Oh,
Big
it's a
mask is
new
Elton John.
boy. He had to look.
Let me see, monkey. Let me see their face. Oh, you're so calm and sweet. I love this. I love the
Super
calm one.
sweet.
Ember.
We need one more male, and then we're complete. Beginning with the letter E.
So sweet.
Oh, look at these faces.
You smell like a puppy.
Gorgeous. They're lab mixes.
The next is bath time.
This one?
It has to begin with an, okay, E, not H. Easton,
Ooh, I like
Elwood.
Decent.
I like Easton. I like Emerson.
We don't have Elwood yet, do we?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we have like two
Edwin.
Just a little bit, but no white
So we
on
have Easton, Edwin, Ernest, Enrique,
Not
Ernie,
Not Ernest.
Elliot.
We haven't had an Elliot.
I love Elliot.
I love Elliot.
Elliot.
Elliot it is. That's it.
We're done.
We're done.
We're done. There's several spellings.
Yes.
E-L-L-I-O-T.
E-L-L-I.
You are
Hi, Elliot.
So cute.
Hi, Elliot.
So cute.
Hi, Elliot.
So cute.
Okay, guys, we have our 5 boy names and our 5 girl names. You want to run down the list? Mama looks tired today.
Oh boy.
Yeah. And then Eric and I were leaving breakfast. I'm like, it is 2 in the afternoon already, isn't it? That's how I feel today. Elton John, Etta, Ember, Eleanor, Enya, Emmett, Esther, Everett, Elwood, and Elliot.
I love every one of them. I think they're all beautiful names. Good job.
Let's never name a mommy E again.
No. Yes.
We've exhausted.
If we get our dog, we'll have to change her name.
What?
Bring them out. We're ready.
Okay. All right, guys, I'm going to sign off because we are going to start bringing each puppies out.
Yes.
Dr. Peterson is going to be doing their nail trims, vaccines, microchips, fecal.
I love the chubby one.
And lots of love.
The chubby one. They're all chubby.
No, they're all chubby.
The medication is on the second floor.
Sweetest little face.
I know.
Yes, thank you.
We've already dewormed them.
They're all dewormed?
They've already been dewormed.
I have a little list. We're doing weights, temps, microchip, fecal, nails, and vaccines.
Yeah, thank you.
They're already dewormed.
Yeah.
I didn't know you had a list.
And we have the best.
You had to come see the pet.
And we have the best names.
I have to, because I never get to see them.
So again, I'm going to recap. Everybody's very loud, so I'm going to recap.
So much attention to the babies.
We just named our 10 puppies for Mommy Ella, 5 girls and 5 boys with the help of all of our wonderful supporters. And want to come out?
Yeah.
Thank you. Mommy Ella, who was at the Miami-Dade Animal Services Kill Shelter, full-term pregnant. They were going to abort each and every one of her puppies. We pulled her full-term pregnant with pneumonia, got her treated at Lauderdale Veterinary Specialist, and she then delivered her puppies at Michael, our foster. They are now 8 weeks of age. They are here at the animal hospital. They are ready and they are receiving all of their necessary vaccines, first round, nail trims, fecal, microchip, getting their weight, and baths. And then they are going to our foster. They are at the age now where they are available immediately. Okay, available for adoption immediately. We are located in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. They will be going to our foster mom, Nana, Christine, and Bob. And the email address is posted on this post. I'm going to shut down. You can all email and just send us an email with your name, your contact, all of your contact information, as much information share with us as possible. Remember, we will not adopt out of state for shipping and transporting. We must do meet and greet with all in the house and thorough home checks. With that being said, we will not adopt out puppies to people that work 8 to 10 hours a day that are going to put a dog in a cage and be alone, because that is not what we have in mind for these babies. We have rescued and homed close to 4,000 dogs. Christine has fostered over 300. They're fighting.
They're fighting.
Yeah. So we have great experience in finding wonderful homes for these babies, and that's how we're going to continue our mission. This is Amy with 100 Plus Abandoned Dogs of Everglades, Florida. Please remember,
Just stay right there.
for all of you that are commenting, if everybody will donate $1, we have 10 dogs that we need to completely vet, spay, neuter, and take care of all their medical. In order for us to continue this mission and saving the amount of lives that we're saving, we cannot do it without your help and your support. So I hope to see a lot of donations coming in. $1, $1. Microchip is coming. I am signing off. This is Amy, 100 Plus Abandoned Dogs of Everglades, Florida. Thank you in advance for your love, your support, and thank you all for all helping us pick the most beautiful names for our beautiful babies. Thank you, Michael, for fostering. I know he's very happy today. And thanks, Darla, for helping out, and Jan for when he's at work taking care of these babies around the clock. Poopy patrols.
Oh, yeah.
It's a lot. It's a lot of work. And Tammy for helping out. I know that
I
you
didn't
go.
do much, but
You're always there. It takes a village. It takes a team. Can't do it one person. So we work together great. Sometimes we fight. Sometimes we love each other. But at the end of the day, we're all here for the same cause and the same purpose. 100 Plus Abandoned Dogs of Everglades, Florida.